There was a village near a jungle. The village cows used to go up to the jungle in search of food. In the forest there lived a wicked lion. He used to kill a cow now and then eat her. This was happening for quite some time. The cows were frightened. One day all the cows held a meeting. An old cow said, "Listen, everybody, the lion eats one of us only because we go into the jungle separately. From now on, we all will be together." From then on, all the cows went into the jungle in a herd. When they saw the lion, all of them unitedly moved and chased him away. Moral: divided we fall, united we stand.